പൊന്നോണം ആഘോഷിക്കുവാൻ ഇവിടെ എത്തിച്ചേർന്നിട്ടുള്ള എല്ലാ യൂട്ട മലയാളി പ്രജകൾക്കും എൻ്റെ സന്തോഷത്തിൻ്റെയും ഐശ്വര്യത്തിൻ്റെയും സമ്പൽ സമൃദ്ധിയുടെയും ഓണാശംസകൾ. വസന്തത്തിൻ്റെ തേരിലേറി ഒരു പൂക്കാലം കൂടി വരവായി. നാം പണ്ട് നാടുവാണിരുന്ന ആ പഴയ കാലം ഓർമ്മിപ്പിക്കും വിധമാണ് ഇന്നും ഈ യൂട്ടയിലെ മലയാളി ജനത നെഞ്ചിലേറ്റി ഓണം ആഘോഷിക്കുന്നത്. അത് കാണുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഏറെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. കഴിഞ്ഞ കൊല്ലവർഷത്തിലെ യൂട്ട മലയാളി ഓണാഘോഷം നാം ഇന്നും ഓർക്കുന്നു. അന്നത്തേക്കാൾ ഒരുപാട് പുതിയ മുഖങ്ങൾ നമുക്ക് ഇന്നിവിടെ കാണാൻ സാധിച്ചു. യൂട്ടയിൽ നമ്മുടെ മലയാളി പ്രജകൾ അനുദിനം വർദ്ധിച്ചു വരുന്നു എന്നറിയുന്നതിൽ നമുക്കേറെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. ഇനിയും വരുന്ന ഓണക്കാലങ്ങളിൽ നമുക്ക് ഇതുപോലെ സന്തോഷമായി ഒത്തുചേരാം. അതുവരെ എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ പ്രജകൾക്ക് സന്തോഷവും നന്മകളും എല്ലാവിധ അനുഗ്രഹങ്ങളും നേരുന്നു. അതോടുകൂടി എൻ്റെ കുഞ്ഞു മക്കൾക്ക് പ്രത്യേക സ്നേഹം നിറഞ്ഞ ഓണാശംസകൾ.
Thank you so much, Maveli. Hey, Shinika, since Maveli is here, why don't we introduce our sponsors?
Sure, that would be a good idea.
Maveli, we know you're busy visiting everybody in North America, but can you stay with us a little longer to do some honors for us? Thank you. Maveli knows English, okay? Okay, we invite our platinum sponsors, Corner Grocery. Senthil from Corner Grocery, can you please come on stage? Is Senthil here? Thank you, Senthil.
ഞാൻ നിന്നെ നോക്കിയായിരുന്നു. സോറി, ഞാൻ നിന്നെ നോക്കി നടക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. ഇവരെ നടുവിലെത്തി.
Senthil, would you like to say a few words?
സീറ്റ് സ്വിച്ച് ചെയ്തിട്ടെത്തുക. ഓ അങ്ങനെ അമ്മേൻ്റെ താങ്ക്സ്.
Good evening, everyone. It's an honor and pleasure to be here. Thank you so much for inviting us. I would like to thank even the sponsors and the organizers for this wonderful event. My name is Neetu, and this is my husband Senthil. And I'd like to invite my store manager Bhakti and my kids. At Corner Grocery, we believe in the community, the power of community, and we like to give it back to them. And once we got this opportunity, I think we just grabbed it because we wanted to give our community something which we could do. And I want to let you guys also know about our mission for Corner Grocery. Corner Grocery, we would like to give out fresh produce and a lot of variety of other products, and which includes organic products as well. We also want to ensure that your shopping experience is amazing with us. And I'd like to introduce my daughter Priya, my son Taren, and my store manager Bhakti. Without these people, I don't think I can do a great job. And my biggest support is my husband, who's been always there with me to support and help me in this business. And
perfect. எல்லாருக்கும் ஓணம் ஆஷ்மாஸ்கள் எனக்கு மலையாளம் அதிகமாக அறியல, so I'm going to switch in English. So will not take too long. We'll try to wrap it up in less than 1 minute. So over a period of time, we have been talking to all our Kerala friends, and we initially started this business. We did not have any idea like what products you like, what products you don't like. So during this course of journey, like all our customer relationship became kind of a family, and we started to understand what they actually need, and we started to get those products either from East Coast or from California. And in this journey, Rinku and Sharath have been mentor, well-wisher, and they have been guiding me through this whole journey. Without their support, definitely not possible. And without my store manager Bhakti and my wife, definitely it is not possible. One thing which I've learned a lot is the food in Kerala is definitely very diversified. When I come from an army background, so whenever there was a Onam, I never thought it's called Sadhya. We used to just eat and figure on the food. I always used to think like the chips, it's called sugar chips. No one told me that it's a sakra variety as such, right? So there are different varieties. There's something called Neyyapam, then Unniyappam, Palapam, like Eliada Jaggery, Eliada Sugar. There are multiple varieties. I started to understand only when I started to talk to customers a lot. Now I believe like we have prepared kind of a customer base wherein everyone kind of trusts us, which is impossible without you guys' support. So definitely thank you so much for everything you guys have done to us. And I would like to especially, it's a big list for the customers, but Anand from Lehigh, Divya from Lehigh, Anupama, we have Varsha, and the list keeps going. So thank you so much for all the support you guys have provided to us. On the occasion of Onam, please watch out for our flyers. There will be some promotional discounts or promotional offers coming across. So please do visit our store. Myself, wife, and Bhakti will be happy to take care of you guys and walk you through the store. One last thing, we also provide home delivery. I know that we are located in Mill Creek, so it may be too difficult for some of the guys who are staying in Lehigh or South Jordan to travel, but we also provide home delivery, so do utilize our service. Thank you so much for all the support. And one more time, Onam Ashmasaka.
thank you.
Thank you for those kind words, and we are happy to have you here with us today. Thank you. Next, we want to thank Padma Appasani with Apna Bazaar. She's not here today, so we'll go to our next title sponsor, Paradise Biryani. Sagar from Paradise Biryani, thank you so much for your support. Next, I call Aishwarya from Aish Kitchen LLC. Aishwarya, can you please come on to the stage? Mavili, could you please do us the honors? Thank you. Thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate you being here with us. Next, I call on Mr. Andy Singh from Royal Brokers. Andy Singh, could you please come on to stage?
Hi guys, I'm Andy Singh from Royal Brokers and Loan Factory. So I am first of all happy Onam, and I really thank all you guys to to let me work with you in your real estate deals and get you the best mortgage rates possible. I mean, call me for an unbeatable quote, and thank you. Enjoy this evening.
Thank you so much, Andy. Next, can we have Janine Otley with Edge Homes? Welcome, Janine.
Thank you. I'm grateful to be here, and I'm thankful that I was invited by Kieran and Madhu to help sponsor this event. I love my community of the Indian community, and I love being a part of your lives when you invite me to your any events you have at home. I just really enjoy that. So anyway, thank you for having me here.
Thank you so much, Janine, for joining us today. We would also like to take a moment to acknowledge and thank, last but not the least, our event sponsor, Mr. Madhu Chengar, who gave us the support and confidence to initiate an event of this magnitude. Without his initial support and words of encouragement, we would not have undertaken an event like this. It is our pleasure to introduce a dynamic and innovative organization that is making remarkable progress in the real estate industry. Please join me in welcoming Madhu Chengar, the owner and co-founder of True Realty Group and Rentomatic Property Management. Madhu Chengar, we welcome you.
True Realty Group is far from being just another real estate firm. They are visionaries, innovators, and above all, a dedicated team committed to revolutionizing the way we view and interact with property. Whether through residential, commercial, or mixed-use developments, their mission is not only to meet the current demands of the market, but to anticipate future needs.
Rentomatic Property Management goes beyond being a typical service provider. They are trusted custodians of both residential and commercial properties, ensuring that every property they manage is well maintained, cost-effective, and optimized for the benefit of the owners and tenants alike. Their commitment extends beyond property management. They manage communities, relationships, and the long-term value of real estate investments. Without further delay, we welcome you to give a round of applause to Mr. Madhu Chengar, and I request Mavili to do the honors. Thank you. Mr. Madhu, could you stay on stage for just a moment? We have something that we would like you to help us with. So,
മാവേലി തമ്പുരാനെ ഇക്കൊല്ലം നമ്മളൊരു നറുക്കെടുപ്പും കൂടി നടത്തുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇവിടെയുള്ള കൂടിയിരിക്കുന്നവർക്ക് ഒരു സമ്മാനം കൊടുക്കുക. ഒന്ന് ചെയ്യാൻ സഹായിക്കും.
Friends, we're going to take the raffle. Maveli is picking the winners, so please take a look at your tickets. Okay.
So the winning ticket number is 3.
Okay, hold on. Do you all have your tickets in hand? Give me a yes.
Everyone ready?
Okay.
Okay. 301-3565. I repeat, 301-3565.
Maybe it's one of us. Anybody? You got it? Okay, please, we request this gentleman to please come onto the stage. We have our raffle winner. We can announce. We have the winning ticket here, and we'll ask this gentleman's name.
I'm Dr. Ravindran, father of Naveen Ravindran of Utah.
Let's give him a big round of applause. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Happy Onam. We can start the Sadhya now.
Whoa, we can start Sadhya now, you guys. Okay, thank you, Madhu. Okay, we will still continue the programs, you guys, but we will slowly announce how we'll set up the Sadhya and we'll call people to join us. So, Shinika, can we continue? Thank you so much, Madhu. You may join them and enjoy the rest of the program. Mavili, thank you so much for joining us.
Mavili Tambarane Nandi. We also want to do a special mention for Saffron Valley, who's catered our Ona Sadhya this year.